From inside the fish, Jonah prayed to the Lord his God. Jonah chapter 2, verse 1.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Running to God in Prayer was written by Nancy Gavianis and read by Joyce Dinkins.
Jonah chapter 2, verses 1 through 10. From inside the fish, Jonah prayed to the Lord his God. He said, "In my distress, I called to the Lord, and he answered me. From deep in the realm of the dead, I called for help, and you listened to my cry. You hurled me into the depths, into the very heart of the seas, and the currents swirled about me. All your waves and breakers swept over me. I said, I have been banished from your sight, yet I will look again toward your holy temple. The engulfing waters threatened me. The deep surrounded me. Seaweed was wrapped around my head. To the roots of the mountains I sank down. The earth beneath barred me in forever. But you, Lord, my God, brought my life up from the pit. When my life was ebbing away, I remembered you, Lord, and my prayer rose to you, to your holy temple. Those who cling to worthless idols turn away from God's love for them. But I, with shouts of grateful praise, will sacrifice to you. What I have vowed, I will make good. I will say, salvation comes from the Lord. And the Lord commanded the fish, and it vomited Jonah onto dry land. Running to God in Prayer, written by Nancy Gavianis. One moment, Adrian Simancas was kayaking in the Strait of Magellan in Chile with his father. The next, the 24-year-old was engulfed in the mouth of a humpback whale. I thought I was dead, Adrian told a news outlet. After a few seconds, the whale released Adrian into the frigid waters. His life vest caused him to float to the water's surface, and his father helped him to safety. The Old Testament prophet Jonah also had an encounter with a large sea creature. Jonah refused to follow God's directive to preach a message of repentance to the Israelites' enemies, the Ninevites. So he boarded a ship in the opposite direction of Nineveh. When the ship got caught in a storm, Jonah convinced the crew to throw him overboard. Then Jonah chapter 1 verse 17 says, Now the Lord provided a huge fish to swallow Jonah, and Jonah was in the belly of the fish 3 days and 3 nights. Jonah went from fleeing from God to crying out to him. From inside the fish, Jonah prayed to the Lord his God. God heard Jonah and rescued him. Then Jonah preached to the Ninevites, and they repented. If God could hear Jonah's plea from inside a big fish, he can hear us and rescue us from wherever we are. Instead of running from God, let's run to him in prayer, knowing that he will answer us when we cry out to him. Let's pray. God, we thank you that no place is too deep and no situation too overwhelming for your saving reach. When we cry out to you, whether from fear, distress, or the consequences of our own choices, may we trust that you hear us and move toward us with mercy. And as you rescue and restore us, may we be ready to follow wherever you lead. Thank you, Lord. It's in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. Why do you sometimes run from God? How can you run to Him today?
al sukumuka korakmal maringal rabarredela ringalela klaad elakabolo rawarngum yaklaad ra utum amralo parada ringalel adbora Biblia ra Job chapter 14 ra first verse ekmurmo aat alo liardil akadebak langar ngira utum yaklangar ngira utum amura aliseksikt maringal akla adra utum akla adra ringal wamadu uldi maroy daringal aringal mer elang ar urraklugu omringal elang yaklugu ke mot miarngum emo ur at tokora amerigel no pain no gain mot miarngum raringal meraklugu.
Research shows that hackers may already be inside your network. Ransomware, email scams, service disruptions, cyber theft. Guardian Cyber helps organizations identify hidden threats, remove hackers from their systems, and strengthen their defenses before serious damage is done. We provide cybersecurity assessments, network cleanup, ransomware recovery, digital forensics, and expert guidance tailored for Palau and the Pacific. Guardian Cyber, Palau's cybersecurity experts, ready when you need us. For more information, email guardiancyber19@gmail.com or visit guardiancyber.online.
This is a Koror State Government public notice. Koror State laws and responsibility for compliance with environmental protection. This is a public announcement from the Department of Conservation and Law Enforcement, reminding all tour companies, tour guides, boat owners, and boat operators, including all fishermen and the general public, of their responsibility to comply with Koror State conservation laws and national environmental laws to assist in continuing to protect marine resources and tourism sites in Koror State waters and within the Rock Island Southern Lagoon. Pursuant to Koror State laws, fishing activities are prohibited within 100 yards of designated dive and snorkeling sites, including possession of fish or fishing gears within those protected areas. These restrictions apply to all fishing methods, including trolling, casting, hook and line fishing, spearfishing, bait fishing, and other forms of taking fish. Koror State laws also prohibit shark feeding in the waters of Koror State. Tour guides, boat operators, boat owners, fishermen, and the public have a responsibility to uphold these laws while engaging in commercial tours, recreational activity, and or fishing activity in Koror State. Boat owners who rent out boats and tour companies who employ service from tour guides are expected to properly supervise employees, boat operators, and tour guides operating under their business. Koror State Government further reminds the public that aiding, abetting, assisting, or conspiring with individuals or businesses to commit violations is also unlawful under Koror State laws. This includes allowing, encouraging, ignoring, facilitating, or participating in prohibited activities. Violators are subject to fines, imprisonment, and other enforcement actions under applicable Koror State and national laws. Continued violations involving tour companies, tour guides, and boat operators or commercial vessels may also negatively affect related business privileges such as permits, business licenses, and vessel registrations issued by Koror State. Koror State Government requests cooperation from everyone, tour companies, tour guides, boat owners, boat operators, fishermen, and the public to work together with Koror State Rangers and enforcement personnel to help protect Koror State's marine environment, tourism industry, and public safety. Hope K. Regisawang, Director. This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply body-worn camera and digital evidence management system for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after June 9, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone 680-767-2552, fax 680-767-1016, or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by federal grant number P26TRANSF1. Invitation for bid number IFB 20-26. Public notice is May 25th, 2026 to June 9th, 2026. Bidding period is June 10th, 2026 to July 10th, 2026. Opening date is July 13th, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on July 10th, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary. This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply one each pickup truck for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after June 17th, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016, or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by local fund. Invitation for bid number IFB 21-26. Public notice is June 3rd through June 17th, 2026. Bidding period is June 18th through July 2nd, 2026. Opening date is July 3rd, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on July 2nd, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary. This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply laboratory diagnostic equipment for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after June 9th, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016, or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by Hospital Trust Fund and U.S. federal grants. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on June 25th, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide consultancy services on zoning ordinance, zoning maps, and subdivision codes. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the ROP Economic Development Assistant Bubble Valve State Planning Grant, F22 EVA COV1 Federal Grant. These specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on June 9th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days, as determined by the procurement officer. These specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-49. Public notice is May 25th, 2026 through June 8th, 2026. Bidding period is June 9th, 2026 through June 23rd, 2026. Proposals opening is June 24th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngololmuth, For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415 or 680-767-1126 or emailing hr@palaugov.org.
Kadebel subdra kamaldila. Mary Renguul-Bausoch. Subdal tobdar nga ngiro ay toluk Mike Renguul, ibdul rale Robert Tuti, ngiray tao Henry Yuri, Frank Malsol, ngiraw rega the Jack Renguul, ngiramati Elbu El Savang, Eol Ringil Madalarak, iadrak klub de Hito Renguul, mamas o erur wasisang Renguul. Agim subde o aisalk mo atargidra Mary Renguul-Bausoch, el ngalgel o erur wasisang, mamli adalbayray May Renguul o Botang, Amlos Mayor Sera Ongewi del Gabasingil Ongeyi Melbuil, May 7, 2026. Magim subdra rogul admam rababal daw, bel morayol daw, Michael Belau. Mabomodenge mongi ramang teklol subdal motuab druriula. Kompmal masulang. Signed ngiroy toluk Mike Renguul.
Cool off this summer at Palasia Pool, the perfect place to relax, swim, and have fun. Dive into crystal clear water, enjoy great painting contests, and exciting pool activities for all ages. Special pool pass available for adults $25 and $18 for kids. With free iced tea, mini pizza, 1 box new water painting or crayon, and painting paper. And get a chance to win a special prize, night room accommodations, gym memberships, and more. Bring your friends and family and make unforgettable memories this summer vacation, June 1st through the 30th, 2026. For more information, please contact us at 488-8888, extension 135, or email healthspa@palasia-hotel.com. Visit Palasia Pool today, where the fun never stops.
Subdal Mora Buai, June 1st, 2026. Tia subdal tobdal ngi arurot ragabli raidi drabelur orior, lo aisalk mo, ngultoy ram lermang le obreo del eldadu, irmam laurot ragabli raidid agilngelk mo abilung Gloriachi Sali amo Mois radu yel bilung ragabli raidid rabelur orior lagi o marangal mo mlamodial sabel merulang el tialdui el kalbilung lol tirak raul dedli della masyugang rabelur orior mablur belau tialul daswa mamlot rocker sera May 25, 2026. Malway se agi olngitrar other orior mablur belau mabodadag edgay ngaseo lo tirakli tial mlamotorok lergamam el gire ladui el bilung. Kompmal masulang edolngitra rubak al Dios malamakal tangat tergidrokui mablur orior mablur belau. Signed rurot rakabli raidid. Kadebel subdras relay other amay Elia Yobech. Kadebel subdras relay other amay Elia Yobech. Loltobdringa mial Vascasio oitrong obara dapkar Clarence Kitalong ringe el Simon Derbay adalvainatang Alensid, Renguram Uang William Ngiray Galaw, Iadal Talwang Simeon Aberdong, Oilal Chob Kikuo, Reeriw Reermur Ililaw, Obaad Sugi Sungino, Uang Ete Matias Erbay, Uel Ramador May Obak, Ngirawaw Chesi Joseph, Ngiray Lab Ricky Ngiraged, Ramlig Uel Sawas, Tulik Ramlig ang R, Madardrar gray ngir oral, maabas pol uwegi, el masubdra sa rela targi dray other may Elia yobo. Manggaruba kamlos me sera May 29, 2026. Yakamaldi lamlamot rogok el moringira June 19, 2026, el Friday. Etiadi mo kamaldi le aldadu, yabasyo kamaldi le adi moringira bayray bala rangar amay. Di mo modenge mongira kamanga te kumaka el sub del motuab druriulo. Kompmal masaw le aruba kal Dios lo makaltanga targi drogui. Signed Mial Bascasio Oiterong. Sub kamaldi le la Maria Dengolk. Tia sub de lol top dringa ngiraged yugiwo pi Dengolk, tmewang kenchiro Dengolk, maya orang smus frankiota, loban trira ru'dri raubad fuana ngirataigi takataro, madilyao Marta Kosiba, el masub darbekel adri relkmo, a odri ra Maria Dengolk, am lather sera May 28, 2026. Agamaldile la moringira ongeru lurior el June 9, 2026. El di moringira Santos Borja Funeral Home el ngarangat kib Airay State. Yauriu ragamaldile el mamadakra ordom ra Airay State. Magim subdar adamam el ngaray galbelu el girel tial el sang e olangita mamay madaalim e dagay ngasew. Ang esara gim subdar aseng Ignacio Anastasio Madirabis. Ayray agim subdrabale el obiang Fuber Skobong marbebi ringi. Johanna ngiru elbad, Madorgas ngiru elbad, Sally Daniel, rangalgela balbult malwat, rangalgela midol tamol, Ma Augustin ngiraklang, Ma Rose Mistiga Augustin, Barbina, Sisinio, Ma Clementa ngiramangloy. Agidirek el masubdray lapsis Vincent Ito, Mardialul Alons Kiota, marbebi retir. Agidirek el masubdra taadib Galistus Raksid, maodal rarena hilus. Agidirek el masubdra mle governor el tmewang Renguul-Bausoch marbebi ringi. Mle delegate Victoria N. Ganay, mamaringel Ratchanis, mamark Orum, mauelsung nginamtur marbebi ringi. Agidirek el masubdra iral, matinina igasakasa, Ana Igasakas Williams, Hermina Orum, Dadali Uro, maolel Flavin Uro, Legislator Sano Saguray, o Iptkoel, ma Fernando Yao Tiakle. Ay lakals padam amora omteera evil el dira asel Emiliana ngiriklang. Agidirek el msubdra ongayim Captain Arvin Raymond e olngit mamspadatri bebi rakaw. Agidirek el msubdra ngirailal sa 62 Paloy, Ogerdeu Patrick Teley, Machulita Teley. Agidirek el msubdra ngalgelamle ngiraged Romant Matur, ra Honorary Council u Elt Matul, Minister Renguul Ngiray Blas Matul, Kalip Matul, Marmeriang Matul. Ay lakals padela ngiraged yugiwo pidungok la amora Chief Justice Oldiais ngiray galaw el girel tial alsang, mabal sa BM may madaalim. Orior agim subdramle President Johnson Toribiyong, marboray dung Yoel Toribiyong, mamosubdrar adad may madagay ngasew. Agidirek kalmsubdrar ngalgelamle ngiraged Romant Matur, Rangirabadel Malwert Matul, former Senator Malip Matul, Matalaw Rikpad, El Girel Tialgamaldile La Maria. Agidirek kalmasubdra Leslie Ma Beverly Tewid, Brotagil Hermana Shiro Marangalgel, Mamihay Namreb. Agidirek kalmasubdra Felix Francisco, Del Pascual, Orul Pascual, Quinta Pascual, Alfonsa Gosiba, Jovalin Gosiba Ngirayngas, Shirley Gosiba Louis, Normando Bintorio, Caudrael Bintorio Kin, Leticia Sikat Leidik, Linda Ngiratagi Pataut, Kirby Ruur, Maruk Sheridan Ruur. Agidirek kalmasubdra Idolodal Absalom Ngiraklang, Angelina Tabay, Rebecca Cuarte, Marangalgela Kadok. Agidirek kalmasubdra B.S. Paulus Ongalibang, Rose Ongalibang, Marbebi Retir. Karay Kamsek Elias Chin, Tiranga Setsko Tuur, Marena Ilus. Agidirek kalmasubdra Adalbay Ratang Alensid, Adalbay Rayrikl Glensid, Delegate Mangur Alulg, Carmelar Alulg, Marbebi Retir. Rangalgela Targong Pedro, Elngiratrang, Linda Yob, Senator N. Pedro, Beverly Uldag, Malay Pedro. Agidirek kalmasubdra Willie Wali, Reinhardt Silas, Marangalgela Ari, Rachiba, Mahasintari. Ay lakals padela ngiraged yugiwo pidungok, matmewang genchiro dungok, amortirgagi del adri, rakabli rangatpak, rabalilyo. Ongetiu Margar Ichiro, ngingatpak Numbert Napoleon, o Bakalol Petrus Napoleon, Sabet Iyar, Ebiledil Caroline Nakamura Takada, Kimio Nakamura, Ong Turuy Senator Siegfried Bay Nakamura, Manatali Stephanie Nakamura. O sisiw Lilia Kalsub dal ngarangiraged yugiwo pidongokla, maoalelat mewanggen chiro dongokla, amortiragi del adrir logiwa damri ra Nakamura. Dilpak Keiko Nakamura Bedor, Columbus Sakuma, Jane Sakuma, Singenaru Nakamura, Frida Shea, Mataru Nakamura. Ay lakal spedel ang iraged yugiwo pidongok la mora dil turong, ediripkal Hiroko Sugiyama. Imili kagim subdra Krakri ay Samrail Samsel, Paul Simang, Wilbur Olu Williams, Maodal ra Raslin Uwegi. Agidira kalmasubdra idolodal Absalom Ngiraklang, mamosubdra draw adalad, makablil ra ualaw, may madray ngase or telgamaldile la Maria Dongokla. Ay lakal spadela ngiraged yugiwo pidongok la mora Postmaster General Santi Asanuma, Elgirel Tial Alsang, Mabal Sabel may magim aalim. Ngat pang agim subdra rubas subadyang ubday Manormand Pintorio. Ngaramlanguy agim subdra ngiraklang Tian Biskabong, Dr. Amais Roberts, Malaloma Roberts. Ngatma agim subdra Paula Holm, mamosubdra draw adalad. Tirigel adama malmlodya kalamdungang clear, aklamotela subdaw ul, madibo madingay may madaali mertial albul. Signed ngiraged yugiwo pidongokla, Frank Kyoto. Subdra Maldil. Tia subdra Maldil on tobdringar adra ekelbay rabalurangar amair orior, el ngarngiangir ekelbay Kalisto Joseph, Ngiramuay Adelino Santos, Oilal Ernest Ongidobla, Krakri ay Samrael Samsel, Florencio Ngiraidong, Runguluel Isid Tagisang, Ongayim Captain Arvin Raymond, Maabir Dialul, El Gilel Ramaldile La Maria Dongokla, El Mlamotorkokol Moringira June 9, 2026, El Dimora Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, El Ngarangat Kibrayray, Ratutara 9 a.m. El Moswelb, Morayray. Malwaise agim subdra adamam ray dalbek kalbalu, mamoytita al sangmiw may madray nga sewer tial gamaldile lang galtargi dra Maria Dongokla. Ang ayang lagim subdra al adalbayra sa bangyol, maobi lulongong Aholiba Albert, mamosubdra bekalad may madray nga sewer tial gamaldile. Ngar along agim subdra al obakra yebul Lorenzo Ngiramolaw, madalalabulay giku Mochimaru, maob adal tabe el stomu Mochimaru, mamosubdra ad may madray nga sew. All agim subdra Tasyana Ali Lesigong, mamosubdra bebirakaw may madray nga sew tial gamaldile. Niwan agim subdra ngalgela ong ruyo sal Timarong, Rachandek Timarong, Maronald Timarong, mamosubdra bebirakaw. Makawal Savior Ngiramayong, mamosubdra ngalgem may madray nga sew tial gamaldile. Ngaramlanguy ang spadla Abir Dialul, Sweni Ongidob, former Governor Wilson Ongos, maodrira Wilma Ongos, mamgaspasub del betal admarngal, may madray nga sewer tial gamaldil. Agidirek kalmasub dargawal Dr. Amais Roberts, may madray nga sew. Ngatpang agim subdargawal Delegate Francisca Otong, mosubdar admarngal, may madray nga sewer tial alsang. Agidirek kalolngit dargawal Bekaldil Eva Kyoto, mamgaspasub de may madray nga sew. Imli kay gimsubdargawal Diraklol Blay, Kyoye et Pisong, Chogo Dukor, Marangalgem, Ibdul Ramador, Warren Umetaro, Marbebirakaw, Governor Brownie Simer, Marbebirakaw, Lucio Obacarbao, Marbebirakaw, mamgaspasub del betalad, may madray nga sew tial gamaldil. Iray, agidirek kalmasubdra ngiraged yugiwo dongokla, Marta Kosiva, Kenchiro Dengolk, Madave Dengolk. Direkal spadlar ngalgela Kyoto Dengolk, ra Frank Kyoto, Mangiratran Kyoto. Agi direkal masubdrar ngalgela Irik, Sakuray Sang, ra Legislator Sano Sakuray, Marangalgela Kliw, Ngiramalge, ra Rolmi, ma Helenda Oymay, mamgaspasub del Bekal Ad Marangalg, may madray nga sew. Agi direkal masubdra Lisa Borhat Matul, Dira Asel Emi Ngirgiklang, maungayim Captain Arvin Raymond, mamosubdar bebiragmiw may madray nga sewer tial maasang. Agidirek kalmasubdar ngalgela Tulob, Rahana Tulob, Hilde Tulob Mariur, Makabo Tulob, mamgaspasub del bekalad, may madray nga sewer tial gamaldil. Orior ang spadla Iyechaderchemai Ignatius ngirmeril, Diliad Chudi ngirmeril, Alonso Joseph, Victor Joseph, Talislaus Joseph, Ninus Gabrol, Willie O. Wali, Marbebi Ramiu. Agidirek kalmasub dra Hiromi Asanuma, Dirubid Kalngay Yalab, Barbara Tulob, Marcela Santos, Bani Myong Quito, Seba Malsol, Marbebi Ragaw. Iles Raymond, Mangalgela Wataru Myong, El Teo Miguel, Siskauel, Marbebi Ramiu. Direk kalspada la Inos Brands, Florencio Ngiraidong, Mamaylin Iyar, Marbebi Ramiu. Marangalgela Veronica Myong, Rangalgela Roberta Mistru, Radominina M. Tomei, Mosub Darbebi Rakaw, Emay Madakay Ngasew, Audrey Teo, Pamela Arboy, Eloise Ramlig, Isaal William, Tati Alfred, Chanita Obiang, Momosub Darbebi Rakaw, Makenya Mukay, Marbebi Rakaw. Tadira kalspada lang ngalgela saka ramasubda, Marbebi Rakaw. Agidira kalmasubda ngalgela ngirarorwa, Himyong ra Lawrence ngirarorwa, Mamgaspasubda may Madakay Ngasew. Hilaria Ichiro, Chibasang Ri, Jacinta Ri, Masusan Leong, Mamgaspasub de may madakay nga sewer tial gamaldila. Ang agidira kalmasub de rangalgela Faustino Tirso, Mamgaspasub de load, may madakay nga sewer tial ulbong lal sungulang galtargid. Balilyo agimsub de right pick James ngira adeng, Mawadal ad Rosalinda Mresabang, Mamosub de adra Ngasilyong, may mamngasumam. Ang hidirek kalmasub daw Elsia Shalom et Pisong, Mau Elbil Teri Nirmang, Mamosub dar adra Karamyus, may mamngasumam. Ngayawra, ang hidirek kalmasub dra Talob ad Tongko Gates, Ronguluel Isit Tagisang, Maromana Ongalibang, Mamosub dar Bebi Ramiu, may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasub dar ngalgela Masayugi Alfred, Machuliana Chiro, Marbebi Rakaw, Marangalgelam Talob ad Yurigo Luis, Ratina Patros, Marbebi Rakaw, Mamosub Darbe Kalad, may madaalim, edray nga sewer tial masang. Agidirek kalmasub Rakaw, Uel Ramadeb, Warren Fukuichi, may madray nga sewer tial masang. Agik malolngit kamil adamam, Raigalbet Kalbalu, Walmlodek lamdungang clear tial sub Drakmaldile Latargi Dra Maria Dengolk, Malakalbol Makitarang Miw, Enklam nga tela sub daw ul. Mamausubes may madaalim edray nga sewer tial masang. Arubak lolmol elmalmos margi dalobabu da mabaltigareng kompmal masulang. Signed Krakri ay Samrael Samsel.
Tial subdel mulla reng strengi adiagal spedel matiagal tigingel malub engul de suela dias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul top dengi haraorngi kompmal masulang.
Subdral da dura ila ia da odlom risawa bauso or Mary Renguul-Bausoch. Tia subdral da dura top dringa ibaw hasinto asanuma o ligong William der hotel modlong Salvador telam si adro odlom risawa bauso ralul gringang mates ngiram rogosto min ngiraibay ra riur agmur ililaw tilat kalgang Eleanor Tagesi tilo ligong geyi asanuma uduy tilo kokro finata tingal madil belu rosania iyar almura rogul adra ngatamad ma ngalmalgi El kumobi ila i adro odlom risawa bauso na Mary Renguul-Bausoch amla mosmer mumla motrok la aldadu orngil morgina June 10, 2026. Tial aldadu adi morgina blila i adro odlom risawa bauso ra irisong rangat kibra irai. Malway sagi olngit temsub dra rogul edamam ngaragal belur momeim da alimi da kangiseur tial bula. Iwala gemsub dra ngalgilam ledira urak ibul iyar ngiraibay rangira margos tomin ngiraibay adal baru rior benard ngiraibay madomini nang ngiraibay mosub dra ngalag marbebi ragmiu. Kidiri kalmasub darang alkilam net migo katarina telams katosang ra Mario Masalvador katosang maadul katosang marbibira kamiu. Hiray kimsub darang alkilam net orong hotel merey ra oligong William dirang hotel malindang hotel marbibira kamiu. Barang alkilam net dirat kalgang diraklang gira matukur adalbayu elsung gira matukur ra dialul Nixon gira matukur madirat kalgang Eleanor gira matukur tagesi marbibira kamiu. Barang alkilam mangekong merey ra hanam LC mosub marbibira kamiu. Rangalgil osyal merey rawina malbebir kamiu, idira kamsub rangalgil anginam legay, mosub rabebir kamiu. Rangalgil angirat kakal merey ra mangsaw David Oroma, other other marlong biging rat kakal ganay, ma other other abokla Chinese ramangsaw. Ruli mo Mark Oroma rabebir kamiu, marangalgil amli other day Gillian Johannes, maratur Johannes matumakreng Johannes marbebir kamiu. Marangalgil amli dirat kalgang alba at tesay, rangalgil amli madrabalu at chuneo tesay, rahana ma Paulus marbebir kamiu.
Marangalgel iteng ilal mut, radilop atro manang ilal mut, maradui alen bruna, marbibirang miu. Edirikam subrangalgel amle obata niro baraur o obiakar machakwini marbibirang miu. Dirikam subrangalgel atkut telmang ra dilibab romit telmang. Radilibab ngedrong marino, mosubra at marangalka. Rangalgel ulsiu ngido oimei, ra iyo ur ngido oimei, madeliget Stephanie do oimei marbibirang miu. Marangalgel angarbol rados marangul mamadanmang marbibirang miu. Rangalgel amates raralul ringang mates, ngabek kaldira kloang algikwe mates kingasang, silbok deskang marbibirang miu, mosubra at marangalka. Rangalgel olgari rob adra kalolbay marbibirang. Rangalgel angatibo lililaw Bausoch. Rari iriw rakmo lililaw maturi sililaw. O misarang iraged ma Alfred lililaw marbibirang miu. Rangalgel amni other days araymul uyo raksaw nuas araymul. Madiray trir nansi mangloy marbibirang miu. Rangalgel amni other odolom ri Bausoch. Ray other odolom ri sao Bausoch. Ricardo Bausoch Marsenia ri irey. Matu oro Richard ri irey. Rinsang ri irey ma apor irey marbibirang miu. Magyolngit rakmi rogoy masubra at marangal kemi mdalim midakangisortir aldadu. Akim subra adma marang malgi rang at kibra odal adar malgi re nailu sama subra adat marangal qarqabli rigi drangar malgi emei mitali midang surti aldadu orior agidire ram subra rang lagel amli adar de iar tal blog rang lagel ambai iar irngarap koi roman iar matoni besong mosubra birang miu rang lagel amner marang obode iar ra elmer masabet iar estela iar nangata ma evelyn iar kel marbirang miu Dirikam subra ngalgila tel iar adil belu rosanya iar tamiana iar mamasingi dias mabeli urbano Purton basyo marbibir kami wagi dirikam subra ngalgila amli odal adar malgi dirak kalsong tal blok ra orit areng ranana ma olep marbibir kami ngalgila miot la Kristiana mai gamadil okro finata tingal marbibir kami ngalgila amle madra kokok koichi lemira Teodora koichi Fabiana koichi loloy koichi mabidasto koichi Mosudra bibir kamiu, rangalgel ong wik lara en mai marbibir kau, rangalgel ar alul sets ko ngira ingas matal badal baul ong marbibir kamiu, rangalgel angira mulera Mary akwan ma en, makadei ma choice ramasaw marbibir kamiu, rangalgel akalista ngira ilangalang, kamay ngira kalaw, mateong la ngira kalaw, oligong dalboy bayay, marangalgel argil bayay, magegi bayay, Antonia bayay Newton marangalgel, ma ongululu la ilangalang marangalgel, Tudul bayay marbibir kamiu rangalgel angir dongol bayay ra losi ngir dongol chan ngir dongol mabigi ngir dongol Moses marbibir kamiu agidire kam sub rangalgel anina masaichi ra keturang Greta atitrengel Dave masaichi ma Steve masaichi Sylvester atitrengel mgas pesu de main tali mertial bula rangalgel amne eriu Augustin bayay ra de di troli marangalgel Christy troli chan troli ma ilin troli gamsong Pia Augustin mangalgel ra Alison Bayay, Elizabeth Augustin ma Amador Augustin, mosudra bibir kamiu. Mangalgel amleu Elvira Royce gumer termete tra Maxi Taima, mangalgel ra May Taima ma Dr. Bebeu Taima. Mangalgel Hideo termete tra Malas ma Usin termete. Mariam Laitaw mangalgel Omtilo marbibir kamiu. Mangalgel Dolorosa termete tra Bradley gumangay mawina gumangay marbibir kamiu. Mary termete mangalgel, ma Viola termete mangalgel. Ma Christy termetet Ananias ma diregal arbaang Francis termetet ma Tigo termetet. Diregal ngalgila Irene Bayay ra Maria Minor, Costang Correro, Nap Correro, mosub ra bibir kamiu. Ngalgila Ramona Bayay ra Elsie marangalgel ma Carmen Etumay marangalgel, Fidelia Etumay marangalgel, Renat Johannes marangalgel amne Deirdre Bosil, ma mkas pasub de may dali mertia aldadu. Rangalgel lagayok Marinora Rose lagayok skabong marbibir kau, rangalgel amni other day benasa sao, rasayuri mabihendra, marbibir kamiu, rangalgel huna ko dalong Santos ra Ubi, Mary Godwin Mauras, rangalgel Rolmi Joseph ra Severio ma Melissa Joseph, rangalgel amni yung El Salvador Telams, rangalgel adira Clay Telams Troli, rangim Sebastian Andreas, ma odal ad angemi Anderson, Matiana Borja, Legislator Divan Andreas, Legislator Mary Naveama marbibir kamiu, Rangalgel abarang telams rangil etet Nobertiano Maromaniano Migo Graciano Legislator Kunori telams maing lors telams rabibirang miu Rangalgel atoru telams ralinda telams mosub rabibirangau Rangalgel Elis telams ra odal atu tog niran mau Evil Raibelau Enita Edward Maralul targong marbibirang miu Rangalgel akliu tuur olgri ramalix iskatkel marbibirang miu Rangalgel Marta tuur ra Uraya tuur marangalgem marbibirangau Marangalgel amleu Elvira Royce Ebir ayungon Maria asanuma, Ratmur kumangay, Elizabeth asanuma mik, Haines asanuma, Tasmay asanuma, Joe asanuma, Maramirang Santi asanuma, Roberto asanuma, Roberta asanuma, Esteban asanuma, Mosubra rangal gemeim da alim irtel dadu. Agiolingit mosubra at marangal rogu yemeim da alim da kangisirtial alboula. Agidrigan masubra at mamrakablira at awar ramiyun Sarauel masubra saka, Ben Iskawa, Mauilbil ilek Iskawa, Marta Iskawa, ma Janita Kaldung, masubra vekal at marangal gemeim da alim da kangisirtial alboula. Kidirigan masubra rangal gila ilap tamakong rakoseba mahuana marbebir kamiw. Dirigan masubra putalbay James Balwong, dirigan masubra Iblay Simpson marbebir kamiw. Rangal gila isida tamakong rakyomi isida maberi mun okabe marbebir kamiw. Dirigan masubra rangal gila mliribak agemi agiwo. Rad legislator Jennifer agiwo, Eunice agiwo, Mahubert agiwo. Masubra marbebir kamiw emim da alimirtel bula. Kidirigan masubra rangal gila isawo tamakong Lori Maray isawo marbebir kamiw. Mamurang ligela ang ligela samdiw tamakong magim subra ang irayrong isak soladaw esbeira ibada ang Helbert tarong mahanay ngay sa maus France agyolingit mo subra at marangal emim dali mertel bulo rangal ligela amle espangala esbei arbadul marar talat ka madrang ar marbibir kamiw agidirang subra rangal ligela sa dako Madrid ra Berli Madrid Malisa Madrid marbibir kamiw rangal ligela ging its Madrid ra Lorenza ise marbebir kamiw marangalila singeru tur singeru rangalila Mesio rungu ra Faustina rungul marbebir kaw marangalila ngil basul sa daw ratyo hay nasa daw marbebir kaw maim da alim na kangisir telbula kidire kam subra at mamra kablira luil magim subra idire at chay o kada mamuay o birir churitabli bay mo subra at adra kablira luil maim da alim na kangisir telbula Agidiri kam subra rangal gila sayrong ra obak kalip machuli masubra rangal ka mar adro ko imim alim rtel bul. Agidiri kam subra rangal gila miyokang tage otway mosub kas subra imim alim rtel bul. Tial aldado am lamotro kol morngira troy mal kapsingil ong elol bul June 10 2026 Wednesday. Rel arraga 2026 el dimorngira blilay adro odlom risa Renguul-Bausoch. Komal musulang etrigel modigal mdung clear di mausubes lengklem ngtela subda ul yer modigal sab ilme adito kalat krang lungu. Komal musulang erbak lolmol mlam kaltangat elolmos ma regid roguilo babaltigeng. Sa na diloligong gegi asan mauduy. Subdral dadura bila yi adro odlom risa Renguul-Bausoch loltov dernya karar miyo kolumbus sa kuma ngawak larkasius nginatrang madil karay adilboy matul. Elkmo aldadu am namotro kol moringira Wednesday June 10 2026 el dimorngira blilay adro odlom el ngay isong Rai State. Malabaysang ayang alagim sobro bakusong terwocho kay ulongong Antonio Yaad odel ad harumi inao kalista mo gisang mahans takawo mo sobra rangal nga emaim da kayng sew. Agidir kam sobra obak rakalaw Stevenson mo gisang mawead dil Jones mo sobra rangal emaim da kayng sew. Marulong agim subdar dal song Pastor Paulus Way, Uerongos Fabian Ewatal, Miner Takriw, Kadwin Siliang, Udal Adrigo Adalbay, Ertulu Sofia Skilang, Ruat Paulina Skang, Dinangar Kasadala, Maria Uloong, Mosubdar Ngal Gemeim Nakaing Sew. Nakalkararam yaw Columbus sa kumam subdar ngal gilam ner dal song tadawang hotel, Ratchusi tadawo, Maduro Tiweda, Mosubdar Bibir Kamiw, Emem Ngasukumam Ertiel Masang. Ang rarda gimsubdra dil karay dilboy matul, ilolang miyako Andrew, dililaw lidiang ilablos, Lorian matul, Tonayo Oksano, Siwarlong Evalt, Tobo the Chloe, Veronica Pin de Sangabaw, Ngitoob o Ngalibang, Michelle Harson Bay, Ninia Basebs, Yonamis Al, Hermine Belwong, Vera Matul, Lisa Hideos, Ngawakal Argasius Nginatrang, Tuurang Lingi Gasusiro, Ngirao Bisyur Nganay, Misael Andrew, Speaker Gibson Ganay, Ngirayrung Isak Soladaw, Ngitong Osubdreng, Marlon Andrew, Matthew Ngirablos, Francis Selkang, Ong Harving Nairikla, Sinovio Biosokol, Hermas Renguul, George Matsuda Maditer Orgril. Algarar miyo kolumpus sa kumam subdrakaol isibira ibitang, mo subdrarangal karibitang imim nakaingisew. Agidire kal masubdrakaol madrang smos and makaryo watsi, mo subdraru ulim imim nakaingisew. Ngartmagim subdrangin kabay Joshua kumangay, mo subdrarangal imim alimirtial basang. Agidire kal masubdrakaol Fermin Meriang, mo subdrarangal imim nakaingisew. Maramlungoy kim subdrangin turong chansung yama, ngiraklang chans kabaw, mo subdrarangal imim nakaingisew. Imiliga kim subdra rokodol sin ardang ida alsaw, ngingsis ngida alsaw, ngayus ngida alsaw, idup et pisong, saryang yulula, mosubra rangal ge meim dakaing seu. Aidai ge mosubra rangal ge lamne yadro odlom la ri irei bauso. Ratu uro rihat irei arsenia ri irei rigardo bauso marinsang ri irei. Ngas pusubra lo ade meim dakaing seu. Agidri kalm subra rangal ge lamne tibo lilaw bauso. Rara riura kamur ililaw materisa ililaw ngas pusubra lo ade meim dakaing seu. Ardui Allen Bruno mosubra vir kameu meim dakaing seu. Rangalgilam ni other days aray mulu eo raksaw noas aray mul madiray trir nansi mangloy mos mkas pasudlo ade may makaing seu. Rangalgilam ni madrabalu chuneo tesay, Paulus tesay, mahana tesay, mosudra vir kameo may makaing seu. Agidir rekam sudro op niro, machakwini niro, mkas pasudlo ade may makaing seu. Ngakal karar miyo kolumbus sa kumadi rekam sudra at adip titus raksid maudra adra malgi il ebil king renailu sa ma mosudra adad marangal gemin kaing seu. Rangal gela yo si peloy Edwin peloy mosudra virgaw emem ngasukma mertial masang. Oriora gem sudra hermana ngirasway miorang karay ito Patilda and the May marching rimidol swalablay Adelina Sisuk Sali Pauline Givey Jane Albert Berlinda Alilay ngiraungil Esiang Moses, Connie Gosiba, Hazel Redor, Emmy Melelma, Leleng Miguel, Emily Tkel, Dorian Redor, Lori Isao, Betiek Sano, Gloria Watsi, Uriga Kiulula, Chil Senior, Langabiang Rosang Osilek, Sara Basilio, Teodosia Ngirakley Berdong, Teofina Ngirakley, Flora Galu, Ana Estadao, Naomi Melelma, Hadlin Matalarak, Tip Angel Sali, Obaklol Patros Basilio, Kanding Rimidol, Rani Redor, Chef Matul, Bruce Ngirmidol, Saisang Galu, Thomas Waladao, Stephen Ganay, Gaylord Redor, Eric Matul, Edwel Ongrung, Neil Rigrig, Reynard Isao, Clarence Xano, Stais Redor, Artin Hideos, Edmund Ongrung, Haymin Redor, Anthony Singitz, Edwin Ongrung, Spis Sakuma, Malayong Anastasio, Murphy Siro, Ngamelok Xano, Edward Ongrung, Junior Malarigrig, Jesse Sakuma, Gail Ngirmidol, Eric Chloe, Swingly Siro, Willest Marur, Prince Delgay. Ngalgarar miyo Columbus Sakuma direkam subda, olingit tanges surang algel ataw rengel otobda, Dr. Ulay ti otobda, mamosubda bibir gawa may imdakaing seu. Agi direkam subda kal Samuel Maui, ngas pasubda, kaumar bibir gawa may imdakaing seu. Agidri kam subra ng algilam legarar miyo Hambret Senior at Jerome Senior marmosubra bibirgaw min nakaing seu. Agidri kalolingit tem subra ng algilata da si sakuma. Rakamenor sharp sakuma marbibiringi may ng masukuma martial masang. Nakalgarar miyo Columbus sakuma diri kam subra olingit rakal mihainam rep 0. Malmer ng algemra Alson 0. Marbibiringi may masukuma martial masang. Agidri kam subra Evelyn Yurturong masubra atad marangal gimin nakaing seu martial masang. Gidri kam subra ng Ligila Martina Senior Basilius, Radev Ueda, marbibiringi, malmay mga sukuma martial masang. Klam mga tela subda ulmlo di almdong clear, arbek ladamam, madim kas subda may nakaing siw. Klo atre, trebuto kalsang, mapulakan sa malmay di mwil basul, edin kalat karang lungu, edolingit rarubakal Diyos, malulmon lumakal tanga talidro ko'y. Sain nagrarambyo Columbus sa kuma. Tukubet sil subda altob dringa i adro adolom la risaur irei bauso, almirkaw li adro ribo ko la kionisal, mabek kaldil kuya blelay olingit masudra adad ngribola emem ngusuga kara aldadu rabig al moringi June 10 2026 aldi moringi rablimam nga irisong rai state to siul tokobet sa sudra todringa adro odlom risaur irei bauso amirkal adal belu Agustin masabelu maoba adra olio markar ichiro yolingit masudra adad tilang emem ngusumam ra aldadu rabig al moringi June 10 2026 Elngi ong edaluriol di morngi na blimam nga irisong rai state. Kloa tre bato kam asang mabolakal sa MLMay hindi ngil basul. Edit kalat krang lungu edol ngi terwak kal Dios molmol mlamkal tanga trigidro koy. Kumal msulang asahin na iadro adlom risawo bauso. Malungil sil silmer kami rokoy. Nga kalrubiang hiromina bea mama iadro adlom risawo bauso rakablira alila ng amyang rai malik state. Ortob dertial subdra aldadul mor adamam raba baldawap mayuldawap morior. Agyaw ay sir mobil at targidra iadra odolom risao bauso ma ramiri Renguul-Bausoch. Amlos mer sira May 7, 2026. Apat ngilang aramor kaya kamaldilel amla motorok kalmornya June 12, 2026. Elongaim lurior malwaise ya aldadu ringi amla motorok kalmornya June 10 ong edilurior. Abasyo di moringi dabli la iadro odolom nga irisong rangat kibrairay. Maigolingit tem subdra kamiul da kau adat mo meim da kaing seur tial al dadu. Ablurang ram nungoy agol turor kal president ra senate hokons paules madilwang amra e paules iolingit temalme adal blu madraisaw ma wadal ad marbibirti de mel ngasuk mamar tial al dadu. Agidire kalolingit tem subdra ngalgila iram ka rameri mo subdra bibirgaw. Agiolingit tem subdra ngalgila diralul ka ra ilong utoy ngas pusub da meim da kaing seur. Barangal gila ilamalong rat kadam marbibirgaw agiolingit meim da kaing seur. Pelur emiligi golingit tem subdra kal om rol simer mo subdra bibirgaw marangalgiu emem ngasoma martial dadu. Agidire kalolingit tem subdra kal odray marigot Jackson mo subdra da de meim da kaing seur. Dire kal spadala idolodal ma obak lumil remel Angelina Tebay mo subdra da de meim da kaing seur. Agidire kal subdra ngirmir basyo kyota ma ebil semir mo subdra da de meim da kaing seur. Agidire kam subdra rogoil ngalgil atalbong marangalgil akabay marangalgil amad marangalgil idolo daol ri mo subdra bibir kami memem da kaing seur. Marangalgil angila aloy madire kal ngalgil ol ngas ek la marangalgil armas mangal loms agilingit memem da kaing seur. Agidire kal olingit tem subdra ngalgil oitrong marangalgil isik la madira tre mal memem da kaing seur. Pelurai raya subdra dire kal marangalgil obak rubirik Albert Tang Rengil Anita Suta marangalgel, Ane Mariging marangalgel, Arseniar Irei marangalgel, Apolloniar Irei marangalgel, Apolin Irei marangalgel, Ricardo Bausoch marangalgel, Rinsang Irei marangalgel, Rihart Irei marangalgel, Mayim na kaing seu. Dire kalspada larangalgel amne Ngyoy Siang Yuji, Bernice Yuji, masudra bibir kayo mayim na kaing seu. Agidire kalmasudra Augustar Ngil marangalgel, mayim na kaing seu. Agidire kalmasudra ngalgel amne mala albalo Wilhelm Rengila, ra Attorney General Ernestine Rengila, masudra bibir kayo mayim na kaing seu. Agidire kalmasudra kayo Glenda Bai, ngalgel amne boik mala albalo Sumang Rengila, mayim na kaing seu. Agiyolingit masudra ngalgel angir okbay Rabuik Speech Chairman Daniel, masudra bibir kayo mayim na kaing seu. Agidire kalmasudra kayo Dialul Madil, masudra adade mayim na kaing seu. Pulur riyor agidire kalolingit masudra kayo odal adra tarekyo, matu urur masudra adad marangal mayim na kaing seu. Agiyol tur kalolingit rakal di boraringi lamalme Miriam, Clint, Tuloy, Talbong, Maamad, mayim kaing seu tial adadu. Gidire kalmasudra ngalgila dira inglay Maesta, Mauel Felix, masudra bibir kamiu mayim na kaing seu. Agidire kalmasudra adri bukol mabikaldil, masudra adade mayim na kaing seu. Paluramiyon sa giyolingit masudra kalingir ongor rigi, masudra adad ramiyon sa mayim na kaing seu. Palurablilyo agidire kalolingit masudra kal idala maubad ratmi, masudra adade mayim na kaing seu. Tokobet sa spade kali adro odolom la Risaw Bausoch, Mora adalbalu Agustin masabalu, maubad raw alyo markar, masudra adade mayim na sukak artial dadu. Kumal masaw larokoy, yarubak kal Diyos lumakaltang atar gidirokoy. Sain, Rubiang Hiromina Beama, mayadro odolom Risaw Bausoch. Tia subdra al dadu rabi ilat targid ray adro odolom Risaw Bausoch, lutodringer mga saur malong David Orugma, mga saur abuk kal Mark Orugma, odal adro malong Victoria ngirat kakal nganay, odal adro abuk kal Chinese ngirat kakal Butler, al mora rukul edamam rabibir kamam rabak mayo oldaw, al kmo al dadu rabi ilat targid ray adro odolom Risaw Bausoch, al ngalgil Albert Tang Rengil irey, amorngina June 10, 2026 rong edelurior, al dimorngina ablil ay adro odolom Risaw Bausoch, al ngaray irisong, lomu ratro yuklok ratutawl 10 a.m. al mo ewaklok 4 p.m. ratali al silsa. Malwayse tiragidil at mamam marbibir kamam, arbap mayol daw baspadala. Morioreng spadala rangal gilarangila, odal adra trekyaw, breng sa rangil ngilmerila, obak rubirik la Augusta rangila, marangal gila Wilhelm Rengila AG, Ernestine Rengila, Anstine Rengila, marangal gila Siyang Masubda, ra Clara Gates, Bernice UG, mausudra rabirigid marangal gamin na kaing sew. Dirikal spadala sa along San Osval, Rose Cabong, Brenda ngir omlay, may na kaing sew. Dirikal spadala El Makdiw, Herman Omelaw, Talobaad Eunice Rudim Oilo, Maivan Rudim, mausudra rabir kami marangal gamin na kaing sew. Dirikal spadala Oligong Rokaswao, Senator Stephen Cuarte, mawadal at Fidel Model, mausudra adat marangal gamin na kaing sew. Dirikal spadala Ilex Kawa, mausudra adat marangal gamin na kaing sew. Ay rayang spadala wadal adar malong Victoria and Ganay, wadal adar abuk la Chinese and Butler, diraw rubaw Chelisa ng Radimaw, ongewid Nancy Mangloy, Ane Marie Bausoch King, ongewid Eksaw Noas Araymul, Ricardo Bausoch, Sandy Towar Oroma, Legislator Ralph Kanay, Morgan Mar Salvador, Klege Dimtengle, Madira Blong Sato, Mosu Darabir kami umanal gamin na kaingisiw. Diri kaspadala ng Albert Tang Ringil Irey, Anita Suta, Delegate Richard Irey, Arseniar Irey, Marinsang Irey, Mosu Darabir kami gamin na kaingisiw. Diri kaspadala ng sa Balu, diri atukar Sara Yugiwo, sa amlong Tatginamangyor, Ami Joshua Abradong, dil sa amlong Marian Mesingay, dil Ami Christina Orak, Albert Abradong, dilo Liong Ramona Abradong, ma nangalgila dil saksaw di Bedong Gunhiro, Rahirman Gunhiro, Madomenina Gunhiro, mangalgila abuse Lamong Ra Erminia Basilius, marangalgila ngido Oymay, Lamong Ra Iyaur Oymay, marangalgila adira Kamril, Kalawalpay Gadoy, Anser Gadoy, Mahanen Ora Gadoy, Mosudra Bibir kami umangal gimin kaing sew. Diri kaspadala rangalgila spons radil maringala idupti masahiro ra mayat spons takada, Mosudra bibir gid manangal ke emaim na kaing sew. Diri kaspadala rangalgila miyas sa ibudul Raidong Adolf Tomei, Dilibudul de Isabet Rivera, Loyola Tuelbang, Tirungar Kabay Paula Kumangay, Maymengal Yoradame, Mosudra bibir gid manangal ke emaim na kaing sew. Mayra etiak maltukubet silsudal maradir mas aong girungil misa, Diladal bay doran inapo Mosudra rangal ke emaim na kaing sew. Agi diri kamsudra yadar tulwang Charles Obiang, Maibiledil Caroline Nakamura Takada, Mosudra bibirgid marangal gamin na kaingisew. Diri kaliray ang spada laong right the kwarte. Maibira tuubel alhanin o rebelel. Mosudra bibir kami umarangal gamin na kaingisew. Diri kaltokobet silsuda maratu ermel running na aryang bain na kaingisew. Diri kalspada la huyukoy diil nginatarang Mosudra bibir kami umarangal gamin na kaingisew. Diri kalspada la rut arar albons pasungala. Madirut arar kamril sa sawo. Mosudra bibir kami umarangal gamin na kaingisew. Diri kalspada la rangal atal matang ililaw, rarakmur ililaw, matres ililaw, Mosudra bibir kami emaim na kaingisew. Meliga ang spada la Renguul-Bausoch, Madirungul-Bausoch, mas armidal, o dalad Mosudra adad marangal emaim na kaingisew. Or along ang spada la umor ete Matias Erbay, ma o dalad Lydia Alela, Mosudra adad marangal emaim na kaingisew. Yasaren diri kalspada la ringang Bill Lula, Mosudra adad marangal emaim na kaingisew. Tial mulureng sa Renguil Spadela al-Adura Mary Bausoch albi ilat tarigid ray adro adlom Risawa Bausoch. Tirgel at mam lo ding alreng sang clear lengklom ngatela sub da uul agi molingit mamaim na kaingisew. Tirgel mo ding alsip ilmay. Titakalat krang lungu edolingit arubak kal Dios mbola bangged elom kaltanga tarigid rogoy. Kuman masulang, sain armangsaw armalong, Dave Orokoma, maodal adar malong, Victoria ngiratkak kalganay.
Tial subadal mula reng stringi, at yakal spadel, mat yakal tigingel, maluub engul deswel at Yes Broadcasting Company, tiang aspadirar at lulul top dengi e haraorangi, koh mal mesulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello Palau, this is the Yes Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by the Yes Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7. With a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter, WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi sine. What do you mean oi sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. A Karakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
A presidential prediction. Lisa Brady, Fox News, made a short time ago in the Oval Office as President Trump faced another round of questions about ending the conflict with Iran.
I think we're doing very well, but we're going to see if we're going to win one way or the other. We're going to win on paper, or we're going to win military. One way or the other. It's going to be militarily or on paper.
The president repeating that he will not let Iran have a nuclear weapon. He posted earlier that last night's war powers vote in the House aimed at ending military action was meaningless and unpatriotic as efforts to negotiate continue. Ukraine's President Zelensky calling for face-to-face talks with Russia's leader in an open letter to President Putin, also criticizing his more than 26 years in power and warning that history will remember the war as a personal choice by Putin without a real cause. President Trump just telling reporters,
I think it would be great if they met. They should get it done.
Adding that compromises are needed. President Zelensky is proposing to meet with Putin in a neutral third country. President Trump taking questions after announcing he'll use the Defense Production Act for a $700 million plan to help keep existing coal plants operational, restart one plant, and build 2 new ones.
We wouldn't have the buildings, the factories, the industry, the electricity grid we have today without the critical contribution of coal. It's been the largest source of global electricity for 125 years in a row.
Energy Secretary Chris Wright says reliable energy sources help save lives and jobs. The Sierra Club accuses the administration of rewarding polluters and jeopardizing public health. The homicide convictions of 2 paramedics are tossed out in Colorado over jury instructions, so both will get a new trial. Those paramedics have been convicted in the ketamine overdose death of Elijah McClain after he was pinned down by police. America is listening to Fox News. A House panel wants the Justice Department to investigate allegations made during the committee's Jeffrey Epstein investigation.
In a letter to Acting Attorney General Todd Blanche, House Oversight Committee Chairman Republican James Comer says the Justice Department should use all available tools, including immunity for some witnesses, to investigate sexual assault allegations made by Sarah Kellen. Kellen was a former assistant to Jeffrey Epstein. During an interview with congressional investigators last month, she revealed the names of men she says committed criminal misconduct, including former Miami Beach Mayor Philip Levine and French hairstylist Frederick Fekay. Comer says the Oversight Committee is not a law enforcement agency and is referring the allegations to the Justice Department. In Washington, Jared Halpern, Fox News.
Former National Security Advisor John Bolton, ousted during the first Trump term, has a deal with federal prosecutors, now expected to plead guilty to a single count of retaining classified information. Due in court later this month, Bolton was charged with 18 counts, accused of mishandling classified information, including his journal notes, as he prepared to write a memoir. California may be counting ballots for days, drawing criticism from the president.
President Trump taking to Truth Social to claim Democrats are trying to steal the elections for California governor and Los Angeles mayor, posting, "Here we go," with the very late and massive numbers of mail-in ballots. California Governor Gavin Newsom's office firing back, saying the president is lying about California again. Democratic gubernatorial candidate Tom Steyer responding, "We count every ballot. Thank you for your patience as we give democracy time to work."
Fox's Christian Goodwin. So far, Republican Steve Hilton has a narrow lead over Democrat Javier Becerra in the governor's race, with the top two advancing to November. A mixed day on Wall Street, but a rally for the Dow up 874 points to a record close, 51,561. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News.